Every year, Barstow welcomes new teachers and staff. The development of young students is a vital part of Barstow. Here's Dan McNichol telling us about his new role.
My job now is to be the director of the extended care program for before school and after school care, the director of lower school student services, to go through and again assist Mrs. Yount with everything that would need to be done from that aspect, and then to go through and to run the summer school program. I love Barstow. The students have been fantastic, introducing themselves coming down the hallways and pleasant and everything. The staff has been welcoming and asking me if I needed help with anything, with this being a new position, new building. It's been a great change of pace for me. The parents come through and they always come up, they see a new face in the building, which I respect, and they say, and can I ask who you are and what program you're with, and it's nice to see that parents have enough ownership of the program and students have enough ownership of the program in the school that if there is somebody new, they kind of want to know who it is.
A key part of Mr. McNichol's role at Barstow is helping students before and after school with homework.
Before and after school, the students have the ability to come in and before kind of get caught up on homework, do things like that, sit down, if they want to get some games out and things, just to be able to relax, get ready for their school day. We have people down in the, staff members down in the cafeteria that give the students a chance to finish up on homework. After school, the kids have a variety of games, crafts, homework time especially, outdoors with recess and snack, everything involved where the kids have a chance to go through and have a fun time, still get homework done, in a relaxed setting with our staff.
For BTVN, this is Seth Farrar reporting.